Hi and welcome, I'm here with HTC Desire 21 Pro and I'll be showing you how to create folders on your home screen. So let's say that I would like to create a folder which consists of calendar and Play Store. In this case, simply tap and hold on the Play Store until you can move it over the icon of calendar and then let go. As you can see, we have created an unnamed folder, and we can simply take things out by moving them from the folder. So again, tap and hold on the Play Store, move it across calendar. Oops, come on, and let go. And that's how you create a folder on your home screen on HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.